Look at this. Look at this. That's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. Not too much butter. You clog the heart. Don't do that. Not too much. But you want to give it a nice coating. A nice coat of that butter. Why? You want it as a binder. For it can bind the salt and the pepper, because skirt steak is very stringy. That looks like hobby, bro. That's my good old godfather. I love my uncle. I love my dad.
That's what kind of meat is that?
That is skirt steak, aka churrasco. Woo! Yeah, this is for CHICHI NY, baby. Love his channel, view his channel, support the channel. This is all he do is good eats all day, good eats. Since I know my uncle, all he do is eat good meats. Pause that. But this is how we do it, baby. Go ahead, champ.
Es rojo.
I swear we all gonna have to run, yo. Tenemos que correr, chicos.